Neuropathy. Introduction. Nerve damage can cause problems with movement and sensation. Select true or false. Correct. If nerves become damaged, they cannot send and receive messages normally. This can cause movement and sensation problems. Dan has noticed that his hands have been tingling. He has been sensitive to touch and has a burning sensation in his hands and arms. Should Dan contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Tingling and burning sensations and sensitivity to touch may be signs of a problem. Dan should contact his healthcare provider. At least half of all people with diabetes develop some type of neuropathy. Select true or false. Correct. When damage affects several nerves, the cause is frequently diabetes. At least half of all people with diabetes develop neuropathy. The goal of treatment for neuropathy is to manage the condition that is causing it and to relieve symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Treatment for neuropathy includes medication, certain therapies, and lifestyle changes. Thank you for using Explain.